Hello family, welcome back to Cooking with Pals. Yes, it's been a good minute, right? If somebody out there can tell me how to balance work life and try to make your own business get going up and running and balancing that, hit the chick up. Need that help, need that advice, need to get it moving. But in the meantime, go ahead, subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Pals. Love you, boo-boo. The Chinese orange chicken, right? First thing first is we are going to be using some boneless thighs. And I choose the boneless thighs because the thighs are a little juicier than the breasts are. So we're using the boneless thighs. I'm looking up because it is actually a beautiful rainy day here in what they call the Sunshine State, but we're actually rain presently, right? In the meantime, go ahead and clean this chicken, and we're gonna season. No, we're gonna clean, and then we're gonna dice, and then we're gonna season. Now that I have actually went ahead and cut the chicken in bite-sized pieces, right? We're gonna talk about the ingredients in which we're going to need. So here are the ingredients that we're gonna need. We're gonna use some cornstarch. We're going to use some all-purpose flour. We're going to use some orange juice. We're also going to use some egg. We're going to use some salt and some pepper and some garlic powder for flavor. We're also going to use some ginger. We're going to use... I'm going to mix together. I'm now going to pour my egg right on. One-third cup Great Value cornstarch, more Walmart. So we're using some cornstarch. I'm now going to add my flour, so I'm going to add a cup of flour to the mix. While my egg and chicken has been sitting and the mixture is there, I also added some garlic powder to that. My own flavor, your choice of how the taste that you're looking for, depending on the seasoning which you're applying. But that's mine, right? I'm doing that. I added, like I said, the all-purpose, the adobo, some black pepper and some garlic powder, and that is sitting with the whisked egg. Now there goes my cornstarch and flour mix. I am going to do each pieces here from the egg. We're going from the egg to the flour, egg to flour, right? Once I get it nice and coated and my oil is good and ready, we're gonna be frying it. Family, we're gonna be making it happen, right? But that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today. Some orange chicken. So here I am. I'm gonna get my pan nice and hot, and because I'm gonna fry this, right? So I'm gonna use about a cup of oil, and I'm gonna get that nice and toasted, at least up to 350 degrees. Right? Because I want this nice and crisp, just like fried chicken for that matter. Nice and crisp, but tender on the inside. There you go. I have now drenched each bit of that chicken, and clearly my oil is nice and toasty. Look what we're doing now. I'm placing each piece in, and we're gonna wait until it's nice and golden brown and cooked. So I will be frying these pieces of thighs in batches, right? Here we go. We're still frying in batches. Ta-da! There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. So now that I have done my chicken in batches, it's time to make our sauce. Again, don't forget, subscribe, like, share. Love you, boo-boo. Look at it. It's already tasty. Like it, share it. Love you, boo-boo. Now, here goes that cornstarch again. Just about a tablespoon of cornstarch, right? just about a tablespoon of cornstarch, sorry. And then I'm gonna whisk that together. So here we go, family. These are the ingredients that's needed next. I'm using some soy sauce, some red wine vinegar, a cup of orange juice, half cup of sugar. Along with that, I have some fine diced garlic, quarter teaspoon of chili peppers, some minced ginger, and some orange zest, right? So what we're going to do, this is the process in which we're going to do. I'm going to put on the pot, because I now have my chicken already done. I'm going to have 1 cup of this orange juice, right, in the pot, along with the vinegar, along with the soy sauce and the sugar. Then I'm going to add my garlic and ginger, and to thicken it up, just some cornstarch. Wait for it. Subscribe for it. Love you, boo-boo. So here we are, folks. On medium heat, I'm going to pour in my cup of orange juice. There it is, right? And then we're going to add in, I'm going to turn around and add in the ginger. And I'm dropping a cup, just a few pieces of that zest in there, right? The garlic and the red pepper flakes. There it is, it's added. And we're gonna bring that to a heat. And I'm also gonna add my sugar and whisking that sugar in there. Now there goes the vinegar. Yeah, baby. Soy sauce. Now there goes the half cup of sugar right in there. Here we are, folks. Now that my soy sauce, my ginger, my pepper flakes, my garlic, that sugar, that cornstarch for thickening is now in place, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna toss that chicken right back in there, get it nice and coated, get it nice and juicier and flavored. Wait for it. Look at that. So now we're gonna toss this around because we want it nicely coated. I'm telling you, look at it. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That's what we're working with. That's what we're making happen. Look at it. Orange chicken. Orange, Chinese orange chicken. Ooh, I'm telling you. Look at that. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Beautiful.
Delicious, crunchy. Chinese food ain't got nothing on this. Something. I'm sorry. Can't get pickles. I love it. Love chicken.
It's awesome. Amazing.
That orange chicken.
Yeah. Yeah.